Guys, we have a guest here, and her name is.
Irina.
And where are you from?
I'm from Nepal.
So, what makes you excited to be here, and what is one of your favorite things about the ZOMI people?
The clothes and then the food.
Hello, tuni ko ZOMI namni om hina kagaya ding pa min pen.
Down sen.
Kung don no pile min amla ngai na sak pen kele na date pen hoi na sak pen nong gan thedia.
Minamla ngai kasak band Dear Crush by Kaino.
Okay, ZOMI namni nom na saya.
ZOMI namni nom sa.
Hello.
Nang na min ba?
Cái cabin tuang po chị ơi.
Nang tuni bahang pai. Hello.
Hello.
Anang na min bang?
Cái cabin Kim Pu here.
Kim Pu mo. Okay. Tuni nang bang excitement.
Boy mama excite pen nghe. Nasalo.
Nang yak bang pai mo na lom nu to mo.
Kelom nu ta. Ya boy pe mai.
Oh wow, ama min bang ya.
Sasan.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Hello, nang namin bang? Kaya kami boy nang namin bang? Kaya kami man yang tu ni nop sana nop lua. Koi pen nang nop sa pen. Kaya nop sak pen hila latte le lam teng mo. And lateng lakpan hoi ka sak pen hila zo son zo ta sa kuai pakale. Oh, kuai tam. Nang ni lo mo nem boy? Di mo? Ha. Ta pen hoi sai nge nang nge. Cái giờ nó là lá hồi Japan pet. Okay, thank you. Bye.
Hello, who am I here with today?
Kai.
So, what is one thing that you like about ZOMI namni?
There was food and like a lot of things that you could buy.
Okay, so what is one thing that you would like to change in the future?
More food. That's it.
Okay, thank you. And is there anyone that you... Hi, how are you? Good, and you? I'm good. How would you rate your ZND experience?
I would say it's like a 10 out of 10. It was really beautiful hearing the music and just getting to meet new people.
That's good. What was your favorite part?
My favorite part was when my boyfriend's sisters were dancing. I love to see them.
Okay, that's good, because I was there, but what would you want to change? Is there anything you want to change?
No, I think everything was pretty good. Like, the people here are really nice and helpful. They were selling some really cool stuff. I even got like a headband. And I really loved the experience. I would come again.
Okay, yeah, she said she's gonna come again. Thank you.
Good.
How was your ZOMI namni so far?
Good. Great.
What's your favorite part?
Dancing.
Where we dance.
Dance and the food and the drinks.
Is there anything you guys would like to change? Anything you would like to change?
Food. Paying for food. The security guard, because like they're a little bit too strict. More options of food and drinks. Yeah.
What do you guys rate it? 1 out of 10?
9 out of 10.
10.
9.5.
Thank you. Hello everyone, I'm here with
Rachel
and
Kim.
So I have a question for you guys. Do you guys find ZOMI people attractive?
Some. Yes, we're ZOMI, so yeah.
Yes. How about anyone in here?
Not anyone in particular. I think some of them look good, but I think they're too old. No.
Wow, okay, straight up answer.
Siapa selalu ni boy ZOMI nam boy nom na saya nom samai nge. Tu ni na nom na sak pen hun nong gen chơi dia.
Nộp avec pin nộp sai mà dia kina cho gen dòng sáng nộp tôi khi tắc chiang khen chữ ký pan tôi khi tắc te chân si không pan ina hi ZOMI nắm boy ông bob đi nga mà cái te ông boy dùng chụp visa in tôi khi te cái health temple music làm ít lệ tôi khi tắc te alarm làm ít lệ media làm avec pina cũng hạt mà cái hàng tàu xem in tôi te ipo i cái health me mal kem cha jong i gam ta cha chỉ khó mà chụp visa avec tham lo dia kina hi hun na hàng thắc te adi ngina akihel na ulam na hitale mo tete tuam tuama ama wikihel na pen man phama ma le baila ma amawadi nga achupi mama puna hi manina avec pi ahwam kimin ma avec pi na achupi vivele dokka sakna vive ye lung na mingai
he loi toi le toi ta khi lai nang bang la siam su ro chi lang i la khong a chwat ding om ya na phok khong om ya
lung na me to nong don mo tu la tak bo la kum khata tom pen dong li ta chi khong ma trading a khan cha mi na solo ina dong khat YouTube tung to nai zon ka Facebook tung to nin thun ma in che in laba to pan alam dang takina tu ni le som ni le thuma ki pan lang pe to in ka phwa zom tu la ta ki tum lai tak zom ma in ka hom zo ding chi bal to pa ko sunga om ma lung nam ma mai
lo voi ma meng zong ak la ma nge
ke zom ma mai ma
lung dam